Wow! Wow! Are you starting eating this?
Yes.
Wow! We love to eat this kind of stuff. Hi everyone! Even though we are not on the camera, we always eat like this. You see? Insulin tree, saloyot, or molokoya, gumamela, buri-burikat, and kalabo, and we have this avocado tea. We make out of the avocado leaves. So, oh,
Do it.
we will start to eat this alone. Oh my god. Oh my god. But we love to eat this one. Insulin tree. So, how do we eat this one? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He loves to eat like this always. Even if he is on the bukid, on the forest. He always do banlas. That's why he always eating this raw stuff. You see? And he teach me how to eat. How to eat, and I already tried it before, but now we try it. It's a Filipino version mukbang. Yala, eat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, really, it is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I want the gumamela one. Ah. It is sour. This one. Oh my gosh. Ah. There's an ant in it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do I really have to eat these ants? Oh my gosh. You know what? Even if we eat this one, we have benefits. Unlike other people, they eat, there's no benefit at all. This one is it's beneficial to our body, to our health. You see this gumamela? It's a healthy one. So you have to try this one. Oh my gosh. I don't like to eat the ants, you see? Oh my god. But I already tried this one. So you love to eat this one? Honey, you want to eat? You
No.
really eat this
No.
one?
No.
Oh my gosh. Teach me how to eat this raw. Before, this is my first time. It's this better. I love this. But I love the most. You see? This is my favorite. I love the stuff. I really want this. I love this. Even if no come, I always eat this. Because this is super duper. You see? Pinoy version, mukbang, green leafy vegetables raw. And this one, I love this one. You see, honey? Wow! Oh my God! You know, he inspired. I'm inspired. I inspire. I mean, he inspired me to eat this one. See, really. I don't know. where to start. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I know. I'm a mess. Hi. Oh, just better. Even better. I haven't finished what? I have to finish this all alone. This one. You see? But you know what? You have to eat beneficial to the body. We don't eat without benefits. So, we will eating the veggie one, the all veggie that is available in the farm. Because, you know, we are sa Hampas Lupa, we don't have many. So, we eat a lot of veggie vegetables, green leafy vegetables, all around. Kung hindi lang po makahilo, so, we try to eat it for survival. Even in the forest, you know, he always did a job in the forest. You saw, you know, getting gold, small mining like that in the forest. He always eat this kind of stuff. So, I do the same because he teach me, he inspired me. So I eat later. Oh my gosh. It tastes sour, really. You try it. Sure. Oh my god, honey. You need to eat it one. But be careful, we don't eat the hard one. You see? We do this. Only this one. Eating like this, we don't need to eat lunch anymore because, okay, you see, we eat with the sagbot or the damo-damo anywhere. Kalulot. His favorite this one. I try to eat, I will try. He loves to eat raw like this, but me, I try later. What happened? Are you serious doing that? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Do you think we are serious? Oh yes, we're serious because even if no come, he eat this a lot of time. Really? I don't know. He always loved to eat raw foods, raw veggies. I don't know why. I admire her, that's why. And this one, you know, I haven't tried yet, but he always tried. Yeah, surely. I start to love this one, if you taste it, but I don't like the ants. You see? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't like the ants! Oh my gosh! Oh! Clean. started. We just started. We just... Oh my god. This is my first time Pinoy version mukbang with vegetables. You really? Happy eating! Maybe there's ants in it. I have to check this inside of this ants so it's clean. So okay, nice to eat this. You know, I have really to try this one, really. I always did. Oh my gosh. I always did it. He teach me how to do it. I love the leaves on top. It's crunchy and oh my gosh, I really have to eat. Honey, are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! He will eat this. Do you believe? He will eat this. This kind of stuff is saluyot or molokhaya in Arabic. I have the gumamela, but there's ants in it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't like that. Oh! Oh my god. I don't want the ants in it. I just want the flower. And we choose this one because this is net. Poison, maybe, I don't know. This one. Oh my god, I want the avocado tea. Avocado tea. Avocado leaves. Tastes nice. It also has benefits in our body. It's healthy. I took another one, but this one is soft. I like the soft one, but the other one lives in here. I don't know if I can eat this. Maybe he can. Only the soft one. I don't like the hard one. I don't know. I told you. Cabbage. One. The green one which I love the most. The kalabo or oregano. This is super duper. I love it. We love to eat the raw one. Green leafy vegetables, not cooked. Oh my god. I drop one tissue. Tissue. Excuse me. Excuse me, honey.
Don't worry.
Oh my gosh! He really love to eat this kind of stuff. Oh my god! And it's all over. Gumamela one. When we open this, there's a lot of ants in it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Indian, Sri Lankan, Bangladesh. Pinoy version. I like that one. I have to finish this because I love this one. I will not give to her. No, we should really plant like this. Isa? You know that this is my favorite, honey? You know? You know that this is my favorite. So, why don't we plant like this? Oh my gosh. What will happen after eating this after 1 month? If we always eat like this after 1 month, what will happen?
Strong.
We become strong, younger,
Yes.
beautiful, healthy. So, try to see. Oh, avocado tea. Avocado tea is rich in avocado. Rich in avocado. Yeah. Rich in avocado. Vitamin E, C, D, E, F. Oh, all of the vitamins in it. I really love to eat this raw. Oh my god. Really nice. Honey, try to check if there is ants in it. Because we don't like ants, yeah? Yeah? We don't like to eat ants, yeah?
No egg ants.
No eat ants! Oh my gosh! I think he will eat ants. No, the black ants.
Oh my god.
Gumamela. I hope, I wish there is no ants. Ah, there's an ant. There's an ant. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't like to eat ants. Ah, my gosh. I'm full enough, but
It's me.
no, it's mine. I hope there's no ants. There's no ants. Perfect.